2008 Suzuki XL7. What we're going to do on this one today is replace the door handle because, well, there isn't a door handle. And it's kind of hard to get in and out, and you can't lock the door because you can't get in from here, and you can't unlock the other side because there's no fob. How you change the door handle in a Suzuki XL7. I'm gonna take this little nub off here, this little grommet. There. All right, the inside here is a little Torx bit, and that'll loosen up this outside piece.
Hold up, wait a minute.
All right, so let's pause and back up a second because you might be looking at this image and saying, there's no door panel. And there was a door panel. Why isn't there a door panel? Well, because I've replaced like probably half a dozen door handles on cars over the last several years, and in every single case I had to take the interior panel off. And so I just did, and then quickly realized I never had to. And you don't have to either. So just ignore this part because that's not necessary to take this door handle off. It's actually super simple. So anyway, let's get back at it. All right, so this is a T25, and you don't have to unscrew this all the way. You're just gonna loosen it up. How far are you gonna loosen it? There it goes. Okay, just kind of pull on this piece on the outside and it just comes loose. Because we have a new one of those as well. So now with that piece out of the way, we've got some more play in here. Put this in, notch it in. And we're going to go outside that and then slide back. And then we'll put our new this cover back on and then screw that Torx bit back down. So I got that screwed back on. We'll pop this plug back in, grommet, whatever you call it. Should be good to go. So we'll put the inside door panel back on that we never needed to actually take off. So usually on these door panels there's a hook in here that hooks like over this, but this one just sits flush, which makes it a lot easier to take on and off, as it turns out. Tuck that up there. So then you just line up your pins. And then kind of tap around, make sure they all get pushed back in, and then put those screws back in, which seem to be stripped out. So that's super cool. It's like they screw into plastic, so be careful with those. And then this goes back on before we get too far. Gotta tuck that wire back down in there. This plate back in. Put this plate back in. Try not to lose a screw because it's very tiny. There you go. Okay. Just to make sure. Hoorah! All right, that's how you put a door handle on.